tilt her head forward just a little, okay? We're going to comb the hair. Okay, clip the CreaClip in. And I like to do this a few times, that way it combs the hair, because it has these teeth and it'll just help comb the hair, okay? So I clip it in, comb it out, gather all the hair like you're going to put it in a ponytail, clip it in, lock it in place, make sure the level is flush, and then it'll go into the middle there. So what I'm going to do this time is going to show you another technique where you can point cut. Okay, so I'm going to slide it down probably around here. Let's say I actually want to cut it short so that the front, it starts to fall off. Okay, so let's cut it a little shorter so I can show you that technique. Okay, so this is point cutting. That's how you point cut. Okay, that's gonna make it a little bit softer. Now the hair is getting shorter and shorter, right? You can see how it's getting really short. Okay, and it does do a little bit of a little slightly angled because you're pulling it back, right? So it does a little bit of an A-line cut there when your hair is this length, this shoulder length cut. Okay, so that's actually how you do a A-line cut. You pull it back and cut. Okay.